Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about one previous JEE mains question from 7th group elements. This question asked in JEE mains 2020 recent year. Question is, correct bond energy order of the following is: option A, CCl is greater than CBr greater than CiCF. Option B, CF is less than CCl less than CBr less than Ci. Option C, CF greater than CCl greater than CBr greater than Ci. Option D, Ci is less than CBr less than CF less than CCl. So very simple question asked in JEE mains 2020. Correct bond energy order of the following is. We will find out what is the correct answer. So before, we are going to discuss briefly about the 7th group elements. So this is the 7th group or 7th A group elements. 17th or 7th A group elements. So here group elements are group members: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So somebody pronouncing fluorine as a fluorine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So these fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine, how can we remember easily? Here one sentence I said, a fish can never breathe in air. A fish can never breathe in air. A fish can never breathe in air. Here fish, in that fish F is fluorine, can, C is there na, C is chlorine, here B for bromine, I for iodine, A for air. So you have to remember these elements like this. A fish can never breathe in air. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So here fluorine electronic configuration 2s2 2p5, that is valence silent. This is valence electronic configuration 2s2 2p5. So ns2 np5 here electronic configuration of the valence shell. So 2s2 2p5. Chlorine 3s2 3p5, bromine 4s2 4p5, iodine 5s2 5p5, astatine 6s2 6p5. So here this 2 is nothing but period number of fluorine, 3 is the period number of chlorine, 4 is the period number of bromine, 5 is the period number of iodine, 6 is the period number of astatine. This electron number is there now, 2s2 2p5, total 5 plus 2 7, that 7 is nothing but group number. So 5 plus 7 is group number. See, 5 2 plus 5 2 5 plus 2 5 plus 2, all are 5 plus 2. So by this electronic configuration we can say the group number and period number for element. For example, iodine, we have to find out which period and which group with electronic configuration. So valence electronic configuration of iodine is 5s2 5p5, right? So here 5 is nothing but period number, so it is present in the 5th period, and 5 plus 2 electrons 7 electrons, so it is present in the 7th group. So iodine belongs to 5th period and 7th group. So like that we can say by using electronic configuration this element period and group number. Now question is, we can see previous question, right? So they are asked bond energy. So bond energy is inversely proportional to bond length always. So bond length is inversely proportional to bond energy. Bond energy or bond energy is inversely proportional to bond length. So both are inversely proportional. So now we need to find out bond energy of CF, CCl, CBr, Ci, right? So we can find out bond length, then we can find out order of bond energy. It is easy. So we can see bond length order: EF, CCl, CBr, Ci. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So here carbon, in carbon which orbital is overlapping with fluorine? So carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So 2p orbital only na, 2p orbital only participating in the overlapping with fluorine. So in fluorine which one? 2p only. So here 2p orbitals are participating in overlapping. Now in carbon again 2p. In chlorine, see in chlorine 3p. So 3p. In carbon again 2p. In bromine 4p, right? 4p. In carbon again 2p. In iodine, see in iodine 5p. So 2p, 5p. So these orbitals are participating in overlapping to form bond formation in CF, CCl, CBr, Ci. So now see 2p, 2p belongs to same cell, right? Here 2p, 3p, 2p, 4p, 2p, 5p. So length is going to increasing. So Ci containing more bond length comparatively CBr, CCl, CF. So CF is bond length less than CCl. CCl is containing less bond length than CBr. Then CBr is containing less bond length than Ci. So Ci is greater than CBr. So Ci containing more bond length. So this is the bond length order, right? So what is bond energy order? Inversely proportional, no? So bond energy order inversely proportional. Just you have to reverse this one. So now CF greater than CCl greater than CBr greater than Ci. So this is the bond energy of these pairs. Now where is the option? This one, CF is greater than CCl is greater than CBr is greater than Ci. See which option, that one? CF. First of all, here CF is there, here CF is there. This is less than, this is greater than. So CF is greater than CCl, greater CBr, Ci. So this is the correct option for this question. So bond energy order, this one. Bond length order they are asked, maybe for example they will ask bond length order. Which one? Bond length order, this one. So this is the correct option for bond length. So they are asking about bond energy. So bond energy order is this one. So like this we can find out the answer easily. Okay. Thank you.